Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the fridge where the sticker will live. Clean with 70% alcohol and dry thoroughly so adhesive bonds. Once done, measure visually and mark 2 light pencil points to guide placement, then apply painter's tape along one long edge to create a hinge. You do this now to prevent repositioning later and to keep the sticker straight. Make sure to level the hinge using a small level or your eye. This first step sets the whole job up for success. You continue by peeling back only 1/3 to 1/2 of the paper backing and folding it under the painter's tape hinge. This gives control and prevents the sticker from sticking crooked. Next, slowly press the exposed adhesive side in place, then slide a squeegee from the center toward each edge to force out air and secure contact. Make incremental releases of the backing as you work down the sticker so you maintain alignment. If you feel resistance, pause and smooth again before proceeding. You finish by removing the painter's tape hinge and giving every edge a final firm squeegee stroke to ensure full contact. If any small bubbles remain, you can either push them gently toward an edge with the squeegee, or, for trapped air, prick the bubble with a fine pin and smooth the area. Heat at low setting from a hair dryer helps the adhesive relax. Make sure to wait about 24 hours before heavy cleaning so the bond cures. This reduces lifting and extends life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.